Welcome back. Pillar number 9 of the old Mandovi Bridge is damaged after a loaded barge of Seza Goa hit the pillar. Captain of Ports informed us that the PWD will inspect the bridge. The seriousness of the damage is not yet known. The incident took place in the wee hours on Saturday. A barge named Olga belonging to Seza Goa hit pillar number 9 of the old Mandovi Bridge. The loaded vessel was moving towards the MPT. Captain James Braganza informed that the incident took place due to some technical problem. PWD will inspect the bridge.
Belonging to Seza Goa, because the steering fails on the Mandovi एक पियरा चे dash pulley, and there was a damage to the forward part of the vessel. Presently it is beached near Kampal, and we are trying to get all the cargo out so that she can be towed back again for repairs at the yard. This happened on Saturday in the morning.
At present, the vessel is being unloaded and is stored on the banks of Mandovi near Mahavir Garden. Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi. The High Court on Monday declined to hear Governor's petition. Raj Bhavan had filed a petition seeking stay on the court's judgment terming Governor as a public authority.
The division bench of Bombay High Court on Monday declined to hear the petition filed by the Governor of Goa. Raj Bhavan had sought a stay of the judgment passed by the High Court. Justice A.P. Lavande, who is heading the division bench, along with Justice U.V. Bakre, declined to hear the case. The court had earlier ruled that the Governor was a public authority. The Governor came within the ambit of the RTI. In his petition, Special Secretary to the Governor of Goa, Dr. N. Radhakrishnan had sought stay of the High Court judgment passed on November 14th. The reason for this was Raj Bhavan has decided to challenge it before the Supreme Court. Dr. Radhakrishnan in his petition had submitted that Raj Bhavan would be compelled to furnish information sought under the RTI. If the judgment was not stayed, he would suffer grave loss and prejudice. The Raj Bhavan's petition follows a legal notice served earlier this week by Advocate Iris Rodrigues demanding that all the information sought by him through his 15 applications under the RTI Act which are pending at the Raj Bhavan be furnished within 7 days. Our reporter Jason Suarez for Prudent Media.
Congress has decided to go with the views of majority people on regional plan issue. Congress has clarified that the government should judge every opinion and consider ecological and other aspects in the regional plan. GPCC has also sought Oscar Fernandez's help for speedy construction of the new Zuari Bridge as the present bridge is in a bad state.
GPCC has sought help of Oscar Fernandez to get in touch with Union Surface Transport Ministry to build new Zuari Bridge as early as possible. Zuari Bridge is the main connecting bridge for North and South Goa. Congress spokesperson Morvin Gudino held press briefing on Monday. He said that Congress wants legal mining to continue in Goa, but Congress has decided to go with the view of majority on regional plan issue. Gudino says party has also taken cognizance of their MLAs telling people to demand scrapping of the regional plan.
Congress stand is to stand with the people, stand with the majority view. This is very, very clear. As a government in power, as those in authority, you have a sense of responsibility. You have to judge what is good for the people of the state. So it is as against that, what is the majority opinion, what is the majority demanding, that is to be seen. Simply saying scrap will not do.
Meanwhile, Congress has also asked its MLAs to be present for Congress party events as recently many of them did not show up during the Lok Samruddhi Yatra. Gudino said that Oscar Fernandez has assured them that the IFFI dates would not clash with St. Xavier's feast from next year and efforts would be on to start a direct train from Goa to Tirupati. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Ekta Parishad's Jana Satyagraha is having a halt for 2 days in Goa. Yatra's focus is on entitlement of rights to the disadvantaged communities and to create a society free from hunger, fear and corruption. Yatra head Raj Gopal Yadav has demanded proper and complete land reform policy for India. They want to save our water, forest and land.
Ekta Parishad's Jana Satyagraha Yatra commenced from Kanyakumari on 2nd October 2011 and it will culminate on 2nd October next year in Delhi after covering 365 places all over India. member of the Council of National Land Reforms Policy (GOI) and president of Ekta Parishad Rajgopal Yadav, has only one motto: save our Jal, Jangal और ज़मीन।
तो हम चाहते हैं कि एक नेशनल लैंड रिफॉर्म्स पॉलिसी हो, एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव पॉलिसी हो, जिसमें तय हो कि भारत में जितने ज़मीन है वो ज़मीन का क्या हिस्सा किसान को मिलेगा, क्या हिस्सा उद्योगपतियों को मिलेगा या मल्टीनेशनल कंपनियों को मिलेगा। अभी तक कोई नीति नहीं है। इस देश के जीवन जीने का संसाधन का क्या उपयोग होगा, उस पर कोई नीति नहीं है। उस कारण से लाखों लाखों लोग गरीबी में हैं, भूख से पीड़ित हैं, तो दूसरी तरफ लोग मुनाफा कमाने के लिए और कैपिटल बढ़ाने के लिए संसाधनों का उपयोग कर रहा है।
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
News from sports when we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.